Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're showing you things that have come into the shop and the crazy variety that we get. This is a remarkable piece. It's a king-size brass bed. So that means that it's probably late 60s or 70s when this was built. You can see it has the king-size bed bracket on it. It has a lot of relief work, and it has these knobs and these buttons that look to me like the 70s. So we're going to be doing a full disassembly and repair and full polishing and then lacquering. So I don't know if you guys have heard us talking about this, but the best part of polishing brass is that we're going to polish this and we're going to lacquer it with saxophone lacquer, which means it won't tarnish again. Has anybody walked past something that you have that's brass or silver and you feel that guilt? That guilt that goes deep down that says, oh, I should be polishing that. I did it last year, but it's tarnished already. Well, we can remove that guilt. So clean up your life and get your brass done so that we can lacquer it. Because you'll end up with the ability to say, ooh, that brass looks good. Probably 20 years or so it lasts from a really good lacquering job. So this is how we improve lives. We restore lives through sentimental value. Thanks for watching.